Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing two compatible photos, similar lighting and perspective reduce blending work. Once done, open Gemini and upload both images. Select the one you want as the base first so the AI understands orientation. Make sure you label or mentally note primary versus secondary because Gemini prioritizes the base when aligning seams. Keep originals backed up in case you want to revert. This prevents accidental overwrites and speeds iteration when you adjust placement or blending style. You now align and blend. First, use Gemini's align or transform tools to scale, rotate, and position the second photo over the first. Precise alignment removes jarring edges. Next, switch to mask or blend mode. Paint the seam or let auto mask detect borders because targeted masking tells Gemini where to merge. Then tweak opacity, feathering, and color match settings. These adjustments smooth transitions and match skin tones, shadows, and highlights. Make small iterative changes until the join reads as one image. You finish by exporting a high-quality file and saving a layered or editable copy so you can revisit changes. Once exported, inspect at 100% and use clone or healing tools inside Gemini to fix tiny seam artifacts because manual touch-ups are faster for micro flaws. If colors or shadows still look off, make sure to rerun color match, adjust lighting sliders, or slightly realign the images. Those 3 fixes resolve most problems. If blending fails, revert to the backup and try a different alignment approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.